Hi, welcome to an episode of Homezy Recipes. Today we're going to be speaking about something I adored as a child. It's a soup, but a very special soup made from Egyptian spinach, or known as Molokhia or Jute mallow. Now, some of you might have never heard of this. Luckily, with all the diversity around the world, you're able to find it in local stores. If they're small Indian stores, you're able to find it in Asda, you're able to find it in big Tesco's, you're able to find it in different places, as long as you live in an area with a bit of diversity. Now, you can get it fresh, or you can get it frozen form like this. And all you need is like a 400-gram bag of this, and we're gonna make an amazing soup. Now, why would you wanna eat a green leaf soup? Well, I'm glad you asked. First of all, Molokhia is a powerhouse of nutrients. Molokhia has a lot of vitamins, including vitamin A, B1 and B2, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It also has a lot of antioxidants. Well, it's a green plant. It has a lot of antioxidants, has a lot of chlorophyll, beta-carotene, calcium, niacin, potassium, iron, folate, and of course fiber. Who doesn't need fiber? We love fiber. So with all this in mind, we're gonna show you how to make this easy soup, but super delicious. And we're gonna make it vegan because a lot of the time when this soup is made, they use different animals for it. So sometimes it's made with rabbit, sometimes it's made with, I think, pigeons, sometimes it's made with chicken. It's made with different animals, but in our case, we're gonna make it a vegan Molokhia soup, or vegan jute mallow, or vegan Egyptian spinach. Let's go to the kitchen and get started, guys. We're just switching on the hob. As you realize, we have two hobs. This one will be where we do the frying, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Meanwhile, in the other pan, I will be adding 3 cups of water. That's 1. While this is heating up, I will simply add the Molokhia. It's already chopped. It's already chopped Molokhia. And I will add it in the water. And this is the other bag of Molokhia. One interesting fact about when you eat Molokhia, people will know you've eaten it. Why? Because you'll have green all over your teeth, little green pits all over your piece. And my hands were not excluded from that. Now we'll focus on this frying pan. So I will be adding the 1 tablespoon of garlic. I will now be adding the cube of vegetable stock. Just a hint of salt, a hint of pepper, black pepper, and last but not least, I will be adding cardamom powder. How much cardamom powder do we add? It's a matter of preference. We are not huge fans, so I'm just adding 1/4 teaspoon. But you can go as high as 1 tablespoon if needed. It also depends on the amount of Molokhia you're making. Make sure whenever you're using a vegetable cube stock cube that it doesn't have any gluten in it, because most of them unfortunately do come with gluten. So always read the ingredients, always read the allergens, and make sure there is no gluten. This is now almost ready, so I will reduce the heat for it while I wait for that one to boil. So we're simply making sure the Molokhia is nicely integrated and mixed with the water. Everything looks melted. You can get fresh Molokhia if you have it where you live, but that would involve chopping it, and trying to chop Molokhia into small pieces of leaf can be very tricky. Hence, the frozen option is the easiest. This looks ready to me. So now I will just be adding the garlic mix that we've been working on. Garlic, here we come. Just to make sure we have everything captured. Perfect. Now for the final part, I will just be adding the quarter of the garlic, which I've saved from the beginning. So we've already put 2 tablespoons of garlic in there, and now this is the quarter that we saved from the beginning. Once the Molokhia starts showing little bubbles, we will simply switch it off and enjoy as soup or as a side dish. So, we're gonna enjoy the Molokhia. Before I do, I have to warn you. The neighbors and everyone in your road is gonna know that you have Molokhia when you have it. Why? Because you're gonna have little green things stuck to your teeth. So before I do this, I'm gonna do all the smiling, because once I eat it, you're not gonna be seeing my teeth. Here we go. It's so good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Molokhia today. Maybe fight with my husband, who gets more. Enjoy your evening, guys. Take care. Bye.
Okay, try to be creative, yeah? You can tell a story or what?
Or what? Baby, when Kate Winslet was doing that scene in Titanic, they didn't ask her to make coffee for the whole crew beforehand, do the scene, and then go and wash all the dishes afterwards. This is not, I can't work like this. I need a producer or someone. I can't work like this.
I am your producer.
And no, I need my rights in this plight. I can't do this.
You're welcome.
No, I can't multitask
Okay,
like
3,
this.
2, 1, go.
Hi, no, we need the Molokhia. The real Molokhia. I'm not joking. Okay, yeah, 3, 2, 1.